Did you know that 70% of projects fail due to poor management? Imagine the potential unlocked with structured project management. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about saving time, reducing costs, and enhancing quality. Structured project management is the unsung hero of successful projects. It transforms chaos into clarity, ensuring every step is purposeful. By adopting these practices, you can elevate your project's success rate significantly. Arrakis Consulting stands at the forefront of project management solutions. Our clients have witnessed transformative results, turning potential failures into resounding successes. Our unique approach and commitment to excellence set us apart. Hear from our satisfied clients who have seen their projects flourish. With Arrakis Consulting, you're not just hiring a service, you're partnering with a leader dedicated to your project's success. ISO 21502 certification is globally recognized, marking you as a project management expert. This certification opens doors, enhancing your credibility and career prospects. Arrakis Consulting's accredited training ensures you're equipped to stand out in the industry. Our training programs are designed to empower you with the skills needed for certification. With our guidance, you'll navigate the complexities of project management with confidence and precision. Effective project management is crucial for success. By choosing Arrakis Consulting, you ensure your projects are managed with precision and expertise. Remember, the right management can be the difference between success and failure. Contact us today at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit us at arrakisconsulting.com. Start your journey towards project management excellence with Arrakis Consulting. Together, let's transform your projects into success stories.